Why does a regular wave look so much worse than a tsunami? Tsunamis are caused by earthquakes, landslides, or major underwater disturbances. And the size of its waves are determined by how deep it happened, how violently, and how far from the coast. On average, a tsunami is less than 10 feet by the time it hits land. Meanwhile, waves in Portugal typically reach 50 feet in the winter. So why is this so much worse? The best way it was explained to me is with a duck. Most waves are wind waves. So a duck will stay in place as the wave moves underneath because these waves don't transfer water. They're transferring energy. The wavelengths, or distances between crests, are shorter, so there's not as much energy passing through the water. It is a bit different near shore because the water is shallow, so there's a disturbance in the orbital motion and it basically loses steam and breaks. But in a tsunami, the duck moves because unlike surface waves where just the top part is affected, the entire water column in a tsunami is moving. The wavelengths are much longer, up to miles between crests, and a greater volume of water is moving. So by the time it reaches land, it's carrying a ton of energy, and it won't break like a wind wave, which is why it can look so much like a fast rising flood, rather than some kind of wall from Deep Impact. Although something like this can happen too.
Sleep in fear.